Hey there, fellow trainers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things Pokemon Go. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to change your display name in Pokemon Go for 2025. Whether you're starting fresh or just want to switch up your in-game identity, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you've got the latest version of Pokemon Go installed on your device. Niantic often updates the app, so updates from 2025 might have some tweaks, but the core process remains straightforward. Start by opening the Pokemon Go app and logging into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will bring up your trainer profile. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the Settings gear icon. It's usually at the top right of your profile page. Go ahead and tap that. In the Settings menu, look for the Account or Profile section. Here, you should find an option that says something like Change Display Name or Edit Nickname. If it's your first time, you might need to verify your account or wait for any cooldown periods that Niantic has in place. Remember, in 2025, they might limit name changes to once every 30 days to prevent abuse. Once you've located it, tap on Change Display Name. You'll be prompted to enter your new name. Keep it fun and appropriate. Pokemon Go has guidelines to avoid offensive names. Type in your desired name, then hit Confirm or Save. You might see a preview, so double-check for any typos. After that, the app will process your request, and voila, your new name should appear almost instantly. One quick tip: if you run into any errors, like name already taken or network issues, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and try again later. Also, be aware that changing your name doesn't affect your progress or Pokemon collections, it's purely cosmetic. There you have it, trainers. Changing your display name in Pokemon Go for 2025 is quick and easy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your new trainer name. Catch you in the next one. Stay safe and happy hunting.